Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. This is my 8th installment of my barrel making video series. In this video, it is all about aging the wood. I'm going to put a little bit of black paint top of my skew. You can make it look like it had been rolled on the ground. And what you get is these little damaged places like it's been rolled around on the ground. This is the weathering portion of the wood to give it a little bit of age to it. Some of the places are a little too wet still. I'm just going to blot. Okay, now it's time to locate our bung location. I'm going to keep this. This is our bung side. So I'm going to drill a hole right there. It's an 1/8 of an inch hole, about 1/4 of an inch deep. It's time now to define the drips. The drips that are where the barrels above are dripping on it, and this barrel itself is dripping from the bottom. So we're going to stain it with some of that. And that requires a cotton swab right here. It's just some dark walnut stain. Get a lot of that off. We're going to start basically dripping. So if this is the top, this then would be the bottom. And this is where this barrel could in fact be leaking and dripping on barrels below it. We need to go a little darker. I'm going to define the bands with a number 2 mechanical pencil at low speed. It's also darkening the bottom side and the top side of the metal band, plus it's giving a place for the stave lines to tie into, as well as it looks like a bit of a shadow. I'm going to finish up this other side real quick. We're going to rotate the barrel back into its position that I originally had, which was parked right in this area, which if it was a clock, it'd be about 2 o'clock. We're going to put a little shield in. We're going to take our black spray paint. Now I just get back on an angle and just pulse it. Doing it this way, it won't be dirty on the bottom of the barrel. With this step of the black paint still wet, this is when I can start putting some random marks, as if it was some sort of distinguishing mark by the distiller. Now, this is my mark. And we can come around and add a little bit more age and scratches. Now, last black, still a little bit wet. We can add even a little bit more age. See, now we're getting the rust of the bands and the age and the patina of these bands to start mixing with the age and the patina of the wood right there. We are in good shape. Well, that's all for this video. The next video is all about marking the stave lines, installing the bung, and applying the finish. As always, please subscribe give a thumbs up, share, and hit that bell so that you'll be notified of future videos. Till next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya.